Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you probably one of the only positive things to ever come out of Puppy Town. I managed to hit 3.5 thousand subscribers thanks to you amazing people out there. Cheers to you guys out there. You guys have no idea how long I've been grinding on these apps for, man. I legitimately every night would come home and try and find the dumbest apps ever to try and play for you all, okay? The biggest scams possible. And do you know what's hilarious? Do you know what I love? Every day I wake up and I love this dude. Puppy Town, literally, man, is without a doubt one of the biggest scams ever I've ever seen in my life, okay? But yet, it's helped my YouTube channel grow. So, developers, thank you very much for making a dodgy app, because then I can come along and expose it. So, yeah, to you amazing people out there that made this possible and subscribed, liked, commented, did all that crazy stuff, thank you so much. All we can really do from here is continue to grow, hopefully, if all goes well. I guess, ultimately, I hope you guys are enjoying the content as well. Every single day I've been posting videos. I've played over 126 apps in the span of a month and a half, guys, on video. Do you know how many videos that is? 126 videos, guys. I am crazy. But I just could not believe how, deep the rabbit hole of scams goes for these mobile apps. You think you're going to win real life money, everyone, from playing these apps. Look at Puppy Town. The fact that Puppy Town is still even allowed on the Play Store makes me literally die inside, okay? Guys, I get so many questions, because obviously I'm growing here thanks to you all, right? I'm getting so many questions every single day. When can I get my MacBook Pro? How do I get the MacBook Pro? I've saved up the money. I've got the raffle. They won the little, the puzzle pieces Puppy Town gives you. They have it, guys. People have actually grinded and wasted their freaking time, dude, trying to get a Samsung Galaxy S20 or a HP Elite Book or that's the real kicker, bro. A Sony 55-inch TV. Could you imagine waking up and getting a Sony 55-inch TV literally arrived on your doorstep from playing an app called Puppy Town? Everyone, the whole thing is one big fix. Puppy Town needs to be destroyed. And I can't handle the fact, right, that people still legitimately ask me on a daily basis, is this a real app or is it fake? Guys, please, I'm coming to you as a friend, just a random YouTuber here that works. I work every day. I work a 38-hour week, everyone. A normal full-time job, okay? I come home and I expose this trash for you guys so you don't have to waste your valuable time. It's so funny because I have some people saying, I'm not spending real-life money. How is this a scam? And more than likely, these idiots are the developers themselves, okay? Let's just be real here. Not going to play around. These are probably the developers or they're in on the scam, okay? Do you know how it's a scam, everyone? Well, you're promised real-life rewards. Right? You promised it. It's like me promising you this beer right here, okay? I promise you this. But, guess what? You're never going to get it. You give me, how about this? You give me 5,000 hours of your time and I'll give you a little sip of this beer, okay? Legit. I'll give you a little sip of the beer if you give me 5,000 hours of your time. Guess what, everyone? By the time you're done, I'll be dead probably, so it doesn't matter. The real name is probably going to get me eventually by the time Puppy Town actually pays out. Let's be real. There's more chance of this, I'm not going to say because I'll probably get demonetized. There's more chance of this beer right here, literally, that right there coming to get me and killing me than Puppy Town paying out. So, I'm sure you can have a little chuckle at that, everyone, because let's be real, that is legitimately the case, okay? Not to make lightly of a joke, not to make a joke of a virus or anything, but that's seriousness here of how little faith I have in Puppy Town. And I wish Google, Google already has enough billions of dollars. They have all that money. They're rich, okay? Let's just be real. They're richer than any of us watching right now. They're They're richer than the whole population of YouTube, essentially. Okay? So, or even a country. They're probably richer than most of Australia, or whole of Australia. And that's where I'm from, by the way. But yeah, why would they allow these apps to be on the Play Store? What benefit do they get? I know they get their ad revenue, and maybe that's why they're so rich, because they allow these scam apps on the Play Store, okay? Now, what you're seeing here is just a typical session of this pathetic app, Puppy Town, and I've I was worried at the start from being so in-depth and so critical and so mean to these apps and so hostile, but the more I think about it every day, guys, it's pathetic. Like, these apps are pathetic. I mean, how long am I going to be beating this horse for, pretty much, with Puppy Town? The app's a joke, and yet people are still asking me and still searching up the videos, dude, and telling me, or asking me, Vince, why is this a scam? How is this a scam? Guys, I've been on $28 for, like, how many videos have I done on Puppy Town now? 7 videos? I mean, I've been in the $20 range for so long. I haven't even hit $30 yet, bro. And that's because I refuse to watch ads. I'm not going to watch ads. I don't care. The only way I would ever watch ads is to do that stupid merge. Because I don't want to manually drag. I'm too lazy to manually drag the dogs around. Look, the bottom line is, I hate Puppy Town, okay? Bottom line is, though, I just wanted to make this video to say thank you all so much. I cannot wait to see where we're going to go. Have so many people asking me, Vince, do you know any legitimate apps that earn money? Not really. I'm sorry, guys. I haven't actually come across a legitimate app yet that has given me money. I have played around with the stock market. Now, that's the adult area, the stock market, okay? You don't want to get into that if you don't know what you're doing. I barely know what I'm doing in the stock market. I'm just posting videos to show you all the reality of what happens when you don't know what you're doing in the stock market. Here's a spoiler. You lose money. But yeah, guys, I promise you, when I find an app that will give me real life money, I will show you all straight away. I am still trying my hardest to track down an app that does it, okay? It's just, what am I meant to do? Like, I haven't found one yet, bro. If you guys know a legitimate app, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear it, because Puppy Town is one big fix. Every Plinko app ever made is fake. It's all a scam, okay? What else we got? Any of the stupid dozer / pusher games, they're all fake. It's all a scam. I have not encountered one, and the stupid, idiotic phishing apps, dude, where you fish for PayPal money. Think about this, dude. Like, what? It doesn't make sense, bro. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Everyone, what would you do right now if you were me? You wake up, you go to work, you come home, and you're facing the most pathetic apps in the world. Would you not be angry as well? Do you know what it's like to wake up and do this every day? Like, don't get me wrong, I'm loving it, dude, because you guys are coming along for the ride, and so many people have thanked me for saving their time. And that's what I do it for, legitimately. I'm not joking. Do you know how good it feels to have people actually say, Vince, you saved me so much time, thank you so much. That's what it's there for, man. That's what these videos are there for, okay? Trust me, everyone, one day soon, we will find an app that pays us. But it's probably going to be when I'm dead. Alright, everyone, well, I'm going to wrap it up here. I only make my videos 8 minutes long because I cannot stand these apps. I will make videos longer if I'm having fun, okay? I am not, and mind you, no one's complained, by the way, about the time. I'm just saying, I cannot handle these apps. I at least want to get paid for recording them. So the minimum to pretty much get decent ads on your video is 8 minutes. So there you go, everyone. That's a little tip for you upcoming YouTubers as well. Either way, stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. There are so many to watch. Check them out, guys. Please share my channel to your friends. Help my little scam patrol. Or you guys, I guess, are in the scam patrol as well for the people that subscribed. Help us grow. Share to your friends. Let's get more people involved. And let's try and take down these apps together. Stay safe out there, everyone. Cheers. Thanks for everything. And I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. Catch you around, guys. See you later.